I've never worn a V-neck t-shirt before, and I've never eaten a full meal that came from Starbucks. But times are tough. You gotta make adjustments. So, I went to Starbucks because it's literally right across the street from where I live, and I was too lazy to go anywhere else. Now, let's see what we got at Starbucks for food. Okay. Review starts with a nitro cold brew. 10 calories per can. Okay? So you have your coffee, nothing too crazy. Then what do we got here? A couple of organic Defense. Defense Up, orange, pineapple, apple, areola. We need all the help we can get right now. I also got a Chipotle chicken wrap. I hope it don't taste like, they put some apples in here like I'm 5 years old, some cut up carrots. Not a bad wrap. 26 grams of protein. I got a turkey and basil pesto panini. This looks basic. It's not bad. I also got some Siggy's yogurt in the house, that French vanilla, making it swang, swang. Now this is the best part of the meal so far. Starbucks, the place to eat when you just don't give two fucks.